Hey, it's Joseph from Magic Touch. Today I'm going to demonstrate our CPM paper on the Oki 8432 white toner printer. Now our CPM paper is our hard surface paper, which stands for ceramics, plastics, and metals. Basically you can print onto any hard surface substrate, glass, metal, wood, acrylic. What makes the CPM paper unique is that the coating's already on the paper. So there's no need for pressing onto any coated material. All the coating's already on the paper, not the hard surface substrate. Okay? So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna demo a Yeti, that is a wine glass Yeti, to show you the versatility of the hard surface paper. So, I have the hard surface paper. All you're gonna need is just a pair of scissors and heat tape. That way none of the material doesn't move. So I'm just gonna cut the image. Just like this. Now remember, the CPM paper is a one-step self-weighting, self-cutting paper. There's no need to cut around the image perfectly, just it only releases the toner and that's it. So, I have my scissors, I got my tape. I'm gonna line it up. Cut a little off the top. Now remember, with these Yetis, you always wanna make sure to remove the lid. Next, I'm gonna have my image down here. Now I got my heat tape. Make sure I tape it in place, that way it doesn't move. And next, with any of the hard surfaces, doesn't matter if it's glass, metal, acrylic, you're gonna press it at 300 degrees for 60 seconds. It's always gonna be a cold peel. You wanna make sure, especially when you're doing curved items like glass, mugs, Yetis, tumblers, beer mugs, you wanna make sure to have very good pressure. With the CPM paper, pressure, time, and temperature are the three constant things that you need. So, I have my Yeti. I put it into my mug press at 300 degrees for 60 seconds, and then I clamp down with good, firm pressure. All right, perfect. So we took the mug off the mug press already and we let it sit for about a good 4 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure that this is cold. As you can see, I can touch it now and this has nice and cool hand to the touch. That way I can take the paper off now. Once I remove the paper, as you can see, perfect transfer. How you know if you get a perfect transfer every time if there is no toner left on the paper. So now you have the capability of doing a full color image on any hard surface substrate using our CPM paper. Now again, try to hit this at home. What's great about this paper is the versatility of pressing onto any raw blanks. There's no more needed to get coated material. You now can get black Yeti mugs, standard acrylic, glass. This is a dollar store bag. That's what's great about the CPM paper is the versatility of what any hard surface paper you can press, substrate you can press onto. We have a promo code this month, CPM15. It's all one word, so CPM15. It will save you 15% off all of the CPM paper. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.